So next is the problem under the oriented graph. You want to draw the oriented graph corresponds to the reduced incident matrix given. Okay, so here they have given the reduced incident matrix. You know what is reduced incident matrix? By removing the zeroth, that is the reference node, we get the reduced incident matrix. Okay, so now listen. So you want to write the incident matrix. So in order to draw the oriented graph, first you want to write the incident matrix. So how you can write the incident matrix means, so listen. So write all the values. So here 5 minus 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 minus 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 minus 1 1. So now listen. So the last row, last is correct. The last row will be the negative sum of the remaining column values. Okay, remaining rows. Okay, the last row will be the negative sum of the remaining rows values. That means if you got so if you see here, see the first row, there is the value 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 1. So negative sum you want to write as minus 1. So here 1 minus 1 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. So here 0. Next 0 plus 1 1. Next all are 0. So 1 negative sum. So minus 1. Then 0 plus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so 0 here. Here 1, so negative sum, so minus 1. Here minus 1, so what is the value? Plus 1. Okay, here 1 minus 1. So the last row will be minus 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 1 minus. So here how many rows are there? 5 rows. Okay, and how many columns are there? 7 columns. 3 4 5 6 7 columns and 5 rows. Okay, 5 rows. 5 rows and 7 columns. Can you understand? That means the number of nodes is the number of nodes are 5 and number of branches are 7. Reduced matrix branches and nodes are. So here number of nodes is 5 and number of branches are 7. So now you want to draw the oriented graph. So now simply how many nodes are there? There are 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, totally 5 nodes are there. Okay, 5 nodes and 5 branches. So now listen. So this is the branch. First branch. First branch in the first branch, what are the nodes incident in? Node 1 and node 5. Node 1 and node 5 are incident at the in the branch that is in node, that is in branch 1. Branch 1 வந்து எதுக்கு இடையில இதான் branch. Branch 1 வந்து எதுக்கு இடையில கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு? Node 1 and node 5. So branch 1 is connected in between node 1 and 5. So now see node here that is the node 1 connection. So node 1 ல என்ன ஆகுது? Enter ஆகுதா? Leave ஆகுதா? It is leaving. So only here plus 1. So node 1 length leave ஆகுது. That is node 5 ல enter ஆகுது. So minus and so arrow mark in the direction வரும். Next branch 2. Branch 2 is in between node 1 and node 2. Node 1 and node 2 is branch 2. So now in branch 2 here it is entering that is entering towards node 2. இப்போ இங்கே enter ஆகுதுன்னா you want to minus 1 எங்கே இருக்கோ அந்த directionல you want to put the direction of the current. Okay, so அதில் direction போடணும். Entering means minus 1, leaving means plus 1. Next, branch 3 is connected between 2 and 5. So it is connected between 2 and 5. Branch 3 is connected. So it is entering at node 5. Okay, so the arrow mark is in this form. Next 4. Node 4, branch 4 is connected between branch 2 and 3. Okay, branch 4 is connected between 2 and 3. So here it is entering at 3. Okay, next branch 5 is connected between 3 and 5. 3 and 5. It is connected between 3 and 5, and here what is the direction? Branch 5. 5 the entering. Okay, so it is minus 1. Next 6. It is connected between 4 and 5. Branch 6. So what is the direction? It is entering to branch 4. So the direction is in this form. Next, branch 7 is connected between, again it is also connected between 4 and 5. So branch 7. So it is entering to 5. Okay, so the arrow mark is downwards. Can you understand? So it is the oriented graph. Okay, oriented graph. Simply you can mark the nodes and you can draw the direction of the current, and you want to connect the branches. Okay, so it is the oriented graph.